Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to do a hair bow, a half up hair bow. It is so cute. So let's go ahead and get started. So I am actually filming this on my iPhone because I'm having camera issues and I'm not exactly sure where to look. So if you see my eyes like going like that, that's why. So I actually saw this on Alex Gabbery's YouTube and I did a short on it and a lot of you were wondering how I did it. So I'm gonna walk you through it step by step. It is really easy. The only tool that I would recommend getting is this one right here, and I will be sure to link this below. So first thing you want to do is just put your hair half up. And if you are wondering how I got these waves, it is from a deep waver. I have it right over here. This guy right here. So cute, and it was so easy to use. All right, so I will do a voiceover for the rest of this. All right, so I just tied my half up section with the hair elastic. I tightened it and then I pulled on the sides. Now with that ponytail, you're gonna split it into 2 equal sections. I'm gonna go down about 3 or 4 inches and tie it off with a hair tie. So it creates like a little bubble. So I'm gonna create an opening right in the middle of that bubble and then flip the ends under and then up through that bubble. So this is called, I think, a reverse topsy tail. So now that bubble that we did the reverse topsy tail through, we are gonna open it back up, but this time we're pulling that bottom ponytail through that reverse ponytail bubble thing. And then we're just going to tighten the bottom ponytail. Now you wanna take the ends of that bottom ponytail and just push them up towards the top of your head. And you can see when you do that, it forms a little bow. So continue pushing up that ponytail with one hand and inserting a bobby pin with the other directly into the outside of the bow. And then once you have one side secured, just kind of pinch and pull it and make it a lot fuller and a lot bigger. You can see how much it kind of puffs up whenever I just keep stretching it out. And then I'm going to insert a bobby pin in the other side of the bow. Now grab your topsy tail tool and you are going to insert this directly into your hair tie. And then I'm going to split that top ponytail. I'm just going to take a small section because my bow is not very big. So I'm just going to grab a small section and just pull it directly through that topsy tail tool. So pull that section of hair all the way through that tool. Then take the end of the tool and then just pull it down and you will see it creates the center of the bow when you do that. So now all that's left to do is just kind of stretch out your bow a little bit more. So just pinch and pull the top and the bottom of the bow, pinch and pull the middle, tighten it. Just do it until you like it, until it's even. This is what mine ended up looking like. I think it looks so cute. It looks like a bow and it's just a fun way to wear your hair. So that is it. That is the video. It is seriously so easy and I think it looks adorable. I'm 32, but you know what? I'm still gonna rock a bow. I don't care. So I hope you guys will too. Let me know what you think in the comments below if you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.